Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in this channel. And here I have a laptop motherboard, Samsung laptop motherboard with model LA8864P revision 2.0. This motherboard get the trouble, cannot turn on, and when the power supply plug into this motherboard, you can see my PSU. Okay, the voltage fluctuative. Also the ampere value up and down. Okay, and let's analyze this motherboard. What is the problem source? Maybe a component that broken in this motherboard. I have tried to find the schematic of this motherboard, but I have not, so I will try to analyze without the schematic. The first step is checking the voltage. 19 volt from the charger and 5 volt, 3 volt. As usually, you must find for first the line that connected with this DC jack, this port. Okay, I found it. This is the main MOSFET, second MOSFET, and this is the resistor, the main resistor. Okay, you must check the voltage at this resistor for first. If normal here, so we must find the 3 volt and 5 volt. Here is the point of 3 volt and 5 volt. Because this elco, the rating of this elco is 6.3 volt, and also this elco 6.3 volt. This is no voltage at this resistor. The voltage appear here. Same with the voltage from the PSU, and the output of this MOSFET, this main MOSFET, is no voltage. And the gate of this MOSFET is, the voltage here is vibrating, bergetar, vibrating, fluctuative, not stable. Okay, please to watch my digital multitester. The voltage here at the gate of this main MOSFET is not stable. The gate of the second MOSFET, same with the gate of the main MOSFET. Okay, let's check this MOSFET for first. I will show you the condition of the voltage here using the analog multitester. This is the voltage at the gate of the main MOSFET and the gate of the second MOSFET. The gate of second MOSFET and no voltage of the at the resistor, the main resistor. Okay, let's check the MOSFET, the second MOSFET. I think this is in normal condition. Oh, the main resistor have shorted. In this point, the pin of the main resistor PR211. Okay, this is shorted to the ground. You can see my analog multitester. But this point is not shorted. The VIN line, the main 19-volt line have shorted. The real shorted, 0 ohm, right? Okay, let's check it out. What is the component that broken? Remove the processor, check again. As usually, still shorted. Remove the CMOS battery. Now this motherboard ready to repair. The next step is find the line that connected directly with this resistor, with this main 19-volt line. We have now here that this resistor connected directly with this component. This is the coil, and we must find other components that connected directly like this. If we have the schematic of this motherboard, this is very easy to find the other components. If without the schematics, we must finding one by one, checking using the multitester. But if you have the basic knowledge about this, about motherboard repairing, about motherboard repair, you will be very easy to do this. But here I want to give the low voltage to this 19-volt line as usually to find the broken MOSFET. But we must remove the resistor, the main resistor. For do this, giving the low voltage to this line, this shorted line, will help us to find the hot component. The hot component means that maybe this component have shorted to the ground. This step is finding the hot component. The hot component means that this component have broken. More height 4.44. Okay, 3 ampere. Oh, Woo. The component here very hot. Okay, try again. Okay, I found you. This is the small capacitor. This small capacitor very hot. Okay, remove this and ensure the condition of this capacitor. Oh, still shorted. Oh, kleru berarti. Oh, it's very hot. I'm so sorry because this is still shorted. And this capacitor in normal condition, keliru jupuke. Maybe the IC that broken. We must separate this block from the main 19 volt line by removing this coil PL331. And now the short have gone, not short again. Okay, and let's find what is the component that broken at this block. Okay, maybe this capacitor. Still shorted. Capacitor is normal. Okay, iPhone now. This capacitor have broken. And we must replace it. We can find this from other motherboard. Okay, place again the normal capacitor that we have removed. Solder again, re-solder. And find the capacitor that in normal condition to replace the broken capacitors that we have found. What is the specification of this capacitor? This is the SMD capacitor, small SMD capacitor without size at its body. So to find the capacitor to replace this, we just need the other capacitor with same size physically. Its the size of its body is same. Okay, we got it. To ensure the condition of this capacitor, we can check this using the multitester. Okay, normal, not salted. Different with this broken capacitor. This is salted. Okay, we have replaced this component. Double check the main 19-volt line. In normal condition now. DC jack normal. Okay, wait until the temperature back to the normal. I hope this will easy to fix, because we have found the broken component and we have replaced the 19-volt, the main 19-volt line, fan line that sorted to the ground now have in normal condition too, after we replace the broken capacitor. The next step is we need to check for first the 19-volt, the voltage with level 19-volt at the main 19-volt line, fan line, and then 3-volt, and then 5-volt, and then the voltage of the power button, and then we can try to turn on the motherboard. But alhamdulillah, we need a short time to find the broken component. In certain condition, we often meet the problem like this, and we'll fix very easy, because usually always caused by the broken small capacitor, as we have found on this motherboard just now. But in other condition, this will very difficult to fix, because not just caused by the broken capacitor. Maybe this caused by the broken chipset that need more cost to fix this motor, or maybe caused by other very small component that very difficult to find it. Okay, I think the temperature have normal. We can try to check the voltage of the main 19-volt line. Oh, I'm sorry, we have not reinstalled the resistor. It's fault, okay. $19.4. Okay. 19 volt from the PSU. Okay. Main MOSFET. Okay. Resistor. Okay. In the normal condition. This is 5 volt in normal condition. Volt, 3.3 volt in normal condition. Okay, this is VS. Okay, we must try to turn on this motherboard. Okay, this is working with current 1.0 ampere. Okay, turn off. Oh, the RAM not installed. The RAM not installed. So when we press the power button, this motherboard not turn it off, not turn off. Okay, now you can see my PSU. The current is 1.3 ampere with the RAM. Turn off. Okay, now turn off. I think this is working well. Okay, let's try to turn on this motherboard with the display. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Turn on. 1.4, 1. Okay, it's working well. Alright, this is working well. This laptop working well now. Okay, brother. After this, I need to reassemble the case of this motherboard. I think this is not important for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Alhamdulillah, this job have done. See you again in the next video. Happy Ramadan. I hope all my Muslims brother around the world will get barakah in this great moon in this Ramadan. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.